Today I'll be sharing with you this ultra smooth biscuit cream recipe. It comes together in no time and it tastes really good. Let's get started. First off, I'll start by grinding my biscuits. These are sweet biscuit cookies and I'm gonna need 1 cup of ground biscuits for this recipe. I'll be making this recipe in a blender and I'm gonna add in half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of white chocolate or 200 grams, 1 cup of ground biscuits, 1.5 cups of milk powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a few drops of hazelnut flavoring oil or any other flavoring of your choice, and 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And all I need to do is blend those up until I get a very smooth and thick cream. This chocolate cream is pretty thick, so make sure your blender is powerful enough to handle it. It took me about 2 minutes of blending. You just need to blend it for a few seconds, scrape the edges of the blender's pitcher, and repeat the same steps until you get a very smooth and silky cream. You can use this cream for filling cakes, cupcakes, mini fruit tarts, or any other dessert. You can also make white chocolate sauce using this same recipe. You simply need to add more milk to the mixture until you reach the desired consistency. This is it for today. I hope you guys like the video. I'll see you next time. Bye!